A tornado swept through the German city of Paderborn Friday, May 20, 2022, injuring at least 30 people, authorities said, and blew away roofs, toppled trees and sent debris flying for miles. The twister created a path of destruction from west to east of the city, Paderborn police said, adding it caused 30 to 40 injuries. At least 10 of those injuries were serious, authorities noted. Traffic was heavily affected. Some pathways and parks were closed or impassable, police said. Authorities asked residents to stay indoors as countless danger spots remained, and rescue efforts were ongoing. Paderborn is about 3 hours north of Frankfurt. Much of northern Germany was under a threat level 3 out of 3 for severe storms May 20, 2022. The level indicates a possibility for severe to extremely severe wind gusts, large hail, tornadoes and heavy rain, the team said. A dangerous situation is expected that may feature a convective windstorm with long swaths of severe to extremely severe wind gusts and several supercells with large hail and tornadoes with the highest threat over central parts of Germany, Estefex said. There were several other tornado reports Friday, including one in the Netherlands, close to the German border, and 3 in Germany. While tornadoes in Europe are not uncommon, there are usually far fewer twisters than are recorded in the U.S. annually. From 2011 to 2020, the U.S. averaged a preliminary total of 1,173 tornadoes per year.
Alter Schwede, da gab ein Tornado. Ist ja unfassbar.
And Europe around 256. European Russia, which is the part of the country west of 58 degrees east longitude, tops the list at 86 tornadoes annually, while Germany comes in second with an average of 28 tornadoes annually. The peak density of tornado reports coincides with the high population density over Belgium, the Netherlands, and northern Germany, according to a study on severe storms in Europe published in December 2020. Officers in the city of Paderborn said the tornado ripped off roofs and debris was strewn around for kilometers. 10 people have serious injuries and 1 woman's life is in danger, they said. A 38-year-old man also died in severe storms which lashed the region on May 20, 2022. Police posted images showing trees felled or split in half and roofs stripped of tiles, while images on social media appeared to show a tornado's spinning column of air-flinging debris. Sheet metal, insulation, and other materials were blown kilometers away. Countless roofs are covered or badly damaged.
My God! Oh, wow. Oh my God! Ah! Fuck! Gott, der kommt von oben, ne? Ja.
Many trees still lie on destroyed cars, said police in Paderborn, which has a population of about 150,000. Local media quoted police as saying the 38-year-old man died in the town of Wittgert, about 180 kilometers, 111 miles, southwest of Paderborn. He suffered an electric shock in a flooded cellar, police said. A fire department spokesperson told the AFP news agency that the town of Lippstadt, about 30 kilometers 18 miles from Paderborn, was also probably hit by a tornado, although no injuries were reported. Images on social media showed that in nearby Hellinghausen, a steeple had been ripped off the roof of a church tower, with the rubble scattered in the churchyard. Chris Fox said that Germany usually experiences several tornadoes a year, but most are short-lived and do not cause significant damage. The level indicates a possibility for severe to extremely severe wind gusts, large hail, tornadoes and heavy rain, the team said. A dangerous situation is expected that may feature a convective windstorm with long swaths of severe to extremely severe wind gusts and several supercells with large hail and tornadoes with the highest threat over central parts of Germany, Estefex said.
Oh, das ist ein Tornado. Du Scheiße. Ey, lass mal einen Keller gehen, oder?
Das ist ja der Neute, ne? Ein bisschen, glaube ich, weg. Da ist er, der Tornado.
There were several other tornado reports Friday, including one in the Netherlands, close to the German border, and 3 in Germany. He said the number of tornadoes reported in Europe has been increasing in recent years, but this is largely thought to be a result of better forecasting and more awareness, and includes the advent of social media reports. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.